2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 4 chopped tomatoes. I've used this Tupperware chopper to chop my garlic and the tomatoes, and you can see it's chopped so fine. This was gifted to me though by my friend Preeti, and this is how it goes. It takes a few pulls and the vegetable inside is chopped very fine. Paprika, about half a teaspoon. Salt, little less than half teaspoon. Pepper, take 2 teaspoons of Fun Food pizza pasta sauce. Half a capsicum. Two slices of Amul cheese. My favorite. Blends very well and gives the lovely Indian taste to whatever Conti food you make. The kind of taste that we like as Indians. And that's it. This sauce is ready to go on bread, on a pizza, on a pasta, on a bruschetta, if I'm right. And it tastes so good.